Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Nappy Gabby. Go Nappy, go Nappy, go Nappy, go Nappy, go Nappy. Thank you guys for clicking to watch this video. And to my newest subscribers, hello and welcome to the family. To my oldest subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I apply my falsies here, you guys, right? So this, I'm not going to make this video to be too long. As you can see, I already slayed my face, and I just wanted to quickly show you guys how I apply my lashes. So I'm going to be needing my lashes, of course, some glue. Okay guys, there's this debate going on that this is actually hair glue and not a lash glue. Where I'm from, we use this for our lashes. So I don't know what the people are talking about, but to be on the safe side, it will be better or best for you if you got a lash glue. Okay, but I prefer this one, and I'll be using this scissors, right? Okay, so first of all, the first thing you always want to do is, oh, and I forgot, I'm using a pair of tweezers. Okay, so the first thing you always want to do after taking your lashes from the pack is like to measure it. It's like to actually measure it, and my eyes are not that big, so I'm going to like trim off the ends. As you can see, I'm just going to like clip. Can you see that? This small part right here, if you get, I'm just going to like, okay, cut that off. Can you guys see that? And the next thing I like to do is to go in with my where is that? Okay, the next thing I like to do is to go in with my liner. I'm just going to like I kind of like smoked out my waterline, my lash line, guys. Oh, but I'm just going to like, if you guys can see that. And the reason I do this is just to conceal the band of my lashes. Oh guys, it's okay, we're here for the lash, not the wing liner. Okay, I'm going to do a video on how to draw a wing liner for hooded eyes. Okay, all my hoodies, I got you, I'm here for you. Okay, so what I usually do is to okay, pump a little bit of that at the back of my hand, just a little bit. Voila. Just oh, nice. And I'm just going to pick that using the back, like the bottom of my tweezer, and I'm just going to like apply that on my lash line, on the lash band rather. Oh god, this English. I'm going to apply that on my lash band, and you can just wait for a few seconds for it to dry down, like not completely dry, for it to get a little tacky or sticky. Okay, because if you put it just like this, it's just going to like fall off. so it needs to get tacky so that when you put it on your lid, it's going to stick. Okay guys, if that makes any sense. To help the lash dry fast, I'm just going to like lightly blow on it. I play too much, guys. When applying your lash, the first thing you need to do is to like place it at the center of your eyes. Can you see that? Then you want to adjust it. Can you see that? Oh my god. Do you guys see that? And then you're just going to like gently push that on your lid. And if you feel like you're not very versed with the tweezers, you can as well use your hand, because our hands obviously are the best tool. Okay guys, yes. Okay guys, so I'm just going to like do this other side for you guys to see. Okay, so normally when it dries down a little, what I do is just press that upward. What I normally do is, after this process, I use my mascara to just brush my lashes to like blend my lashes with the falsies, but I can't find my mascara, so I'm just going to like leave it as it is. Okay. Okay guys, like I said, when applying your falsies, always start like in the middle. Okay, you put that just a little bit above your lash line, and you just adjust it. Guys, like, this is so easy. Just adjust that, and voila, that is it, you guys. This is so easy, guys. Right, so thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, leave a comment down below.